I sat with a bit of a dilemma because I had done this logo and I needed to export it, so I wanted to still keep it in high quality vector kind of thing, so I wanted to send it out as a PDF. So pretty much it's on a transparent background, and if you go and export it to, let's say, a PNG, you're going to get it fine with a transparent background, can export it. But I needed to get it to the person, to the client, as a PDF because they wanted to do some embroidery stuff, or I don't know exactly what they wanted to do. But check this out, when I went over to PDF, something strange happened. It's just busy processing. Something strange appeared. This white block here, so there was no transparency. However, I'd gone through the process of setting up the transparency for the document, etc. But it's just when I had the PDF or the SVG, same thing was happening, that it was pulling up with this white square. And check this out. Okay, and if I go look here, there's like nothing white square over here, and when I went to document setup, my color, the transparency background was there. So I mean, understandably, if it was that, then I would go here and go flip this off, and that would sort the problem. But it was transparent background already, and I was still sitting with this situation when I went to the export SVG or PDF. So technically it's things that would kind of keep the vector editing ability if you transported it in this kind of format. But this is what's happening. And after scratching my head forever, I realized that here is it. This had defaulted to rasterize everything. Now, I don't know why it took on there. So let's check here. So the key here is to have it on nothing, because if you put it on rasterize everything, whatever's on this document, it's going to rasterize and turn it into not a vector elements in there, but a pixel based thing. So if I go to unsupported properties, see what that happens there. I don't know if it will do exactly. Yeah, it still does the same. So the key here is, oh wait, maybe I should show you this. If you say everything, just check here with the word agri-source at the bottom. Just hang on a second there. So the background here of the A and the S is white, and the agri-source. If I flip over to unsupported properties, then you find out that the word agri-source, that became transparent, but this top area still. So the key with this is to go with nothing. So what you want to do is rasterize nothing in your design, okay, because you don't want to rasterize and flatten. And there we go. You can export it as SVG or export it as PDF. Okay, so that's how you get to export it like this. Just make sure that that rasterize button isn't pulled down and it doesn't rasterize anything when it does the export. Hopefully that helps you and takes a little bit of frustration away if you find that as a situation. Have a great day, be blessed, and shalom to everyone.